Do I know what the Miranda Rights are? Absolutely.
Can I recite them?
Oh, now that's another point.
You have the right to remain silent. That's probably all I can recite.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything that can be used against you in a court of law. I know up to there.
You have the right to an attorney.
Anything that you would say can be held against you in a court of law.
You are innocent until proven guilty.
I think if you get arrested, that you have certain rights, and they can't just do you any old kind of way.
Knock on wood, never gonna have to really bother with it, but I have a general sense of what they are, yeah.
You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to have an attorney represent you. That's about right off the top of my head, that's what I remember.
I think that's about it.
When one is under custodial interrogation, to remain silent, right to have an attorney provided. If you can't afford one, one would be provided.
Those are the main ones that I remember.
I'm pretty sure it's you have the right to remain silent. Anything you can say and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to attorney. If you cannot afford one, the court will appoint one to you.
Those are basically the rights.
I've heard of it. Do I know anything about it? Not anymore.
I knew it was a person that was arrested.
All right, I'm gonna go out on the limb and say this.
I'm assuming it was what started the Miranda Rights, which is the right to, be able to not talk when you're getting arrested.
I have no clue.
I don't know. I think it just has to deal with that everyone deserves representation in courts and stuff like that.
It has to do with all the evidence that the police collect in a crime scene.
There were the rights articulated by the Supreme Court in a case called Miranda versus-Arizona 50 years ago.
I'm an attorney, but I didn't practice criminal law. I don't remember what the Miranda case itself was about, no.
I mean, I know that there have been a lot of violations of people's rights, so I imagine that's why it came about, because people didn't have those rights. They were forced into, confessing the things they didn't do.
Well, I know Mr. Miranda was incarcerated and convicted, not having been afforded his right to counsel.